Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma G3590. I want to show you how to do factory reset. This printer is currently connected to a wireless network. What I want us to do is to reset this printer completely. So select the settings, this gear icon, select on it, select printer settings, then scroll down to reset all, reset settings, yes or no, then select yes. Processing, please wait momentarily. Completed the following: reset setting, reset all, then select OK. Then if we go back to the home page, if you look on the Wi-Fi, you will see that the Wi-Fi icon is crossed, is cancelled. What that means is that the printer is no longer connected to a network. So you can switch off the printer and reconnect it back on. So this is how to reset this printer. After you switch the printer off, then you need to switch it back on to reconnect it to a wireless network. If you switch the printer on, it will show you Canon. Then the next process is for you to connect the printer back to a network. But this is how to reset the printer. Thank you very much indeed.